Have you ever wondered what it is like to sit in the pilot's seat and fly a massive airplane? Today, we're taking you on a journey from the cockpit step by step, from takeoff to landing. Here we are, settled in the cockpit, parked right at the gate. The sun is just starting to rise, casting a beautiful golden light through the windshield. All around us, the instrument panels are glowing, alive with numbers and lights. It's quiet and calm, the moment before our journey begins. Before we can even think about moving, it's time for our pre-flight check. This is one of the most important parts of any flight. We carefully go through our digital checklist, making sure every system is perfect. We're checking the fuel gauges, testing the flight instruments, and pressing a sequence of buttons to ensure everything is ready for a safe flight. Every light, every switch has a purpose. With our checks complete, we get clearance from the control tower. It's time to taxi. The plane begins to move slowly, smoothly gliding towards the runway. You can see the airport coming to life around us, with ground vehicles buzzing by and other planes getting ready. Up ahead, the runway lights guide our way, a clear path forward in the early morning light. Now we're lined up and holding short of the runway. The long stretch of asphalt lies before us, waiting. The engines are humming with a quiet power, a gentle vibration running through the cockpit. This is the final moment of calm before the incredible power of takeoff is unleashed. Okay, here we go. We push the throttles forward, and you can instantly feel the immense power of the engines. The acceleration is incredible, pushing us back into our seats as we hurtle down the runway. The numbers on our speed indicator are climbing fast, and the runway markers blur into lines. And lift off. The nose of the airplane gently tilts upward, and with a feeling of weightlessness, we leave the ground behind. The runway falls away beneath us as we climb into the sky, pointing our nose towards the clouds. It's a moment that never gets old, a feeling of pure freedom. Now we're in the climb phase. Our wings are angled up as we steadily gain altitude. You can see the ground getting smaller and smaller below. The sun is brighter up here, filling the cockpit with a warm, steady light. The goal is to reach our cruising altitude, where the air is thinner and the flight is most efficient. Welcome to cruising altitude. Up here, at over 30,000 feet, the world looks serene. The autopilot is now engaged, handling the minor adjustments to keep us on course. Below us is a sea of white, fluffy clouds, and the horizon stretches out in a perfect, gentle curve. It's peaceful, a steady flight high above the world. After a smooth flight, it's time to begin our descent. The sun is starting to set, painting the sky in shades of orange and purple. We gently reduce the throttle, and the nose of the plane dips slightly as we start our slow journey back down to Earth. The flight management system shows our path to the runway, guiding us in. We're on final approach now. The landing gear is down, and the runway is visible straight ahead, its lights shining brightly to welcome us home. We're fully focused, making tiny adjustments to keep us perfectly aligned. The clouds are now below us, and the ground is getting closer and closer, and touchdown. The wheels make contact with the runway with a gentle bump. You can feel the runway rushing underneath us as we slow down. We engage the reverse thrusters, and the engines roar to life one last time to help us decelerate safely. We've now slowed down enough to exit the runway. The pace is slow and calm again as we taxi towards our parking spot at the gate. The airport is glowing with lights in the beautiful dusk. Our journey is almost complete. And here we are, parked safely at the gate, engines off. The cockpit is quiet once more. The sunset through the windshield is a perfect end to an amazing flight. Thank you for joining us on this journey from the pilot's seat. If you enjoyed this experience, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Fly high and dream big.